So guys, welcome to beautiful HVAC job. Look, most important job, most popular attic installation or something in air handler. So this is the attic. This window. This is very small. It's very hard guys. You see? It's very small. Even I can put my legs straight, my legs in here. So unit in here. Mastic. Now duct here. Supply, very interesting supply. Return. This is just reinstallation drain, auxiliary drain pan, because it's a special order. It's stainless steel. So before, like every 3 years, he's owner replace this auxiliary pan, because every 3 years it's totally rust and start dripping water and broke the ceiling. So he's wanna put at these times good stainless steel, never broken. So okay, so need to fully reinstall unit, put pan, and after put back. Now what where I can get by my hand is on top, a little bit inside in the wall, and on the side. That's it. Yeah, and now a job from inside. So okay. So that's a beautiful job. Yeah. Mesh tape. Mastic. Okay. Temperature now is 9 morning, temperature like around 100 degrees. It's a Key West. Welcome to Key West. I already put some mastic. Now on top of the mastic, mesh tape, and again mastic. Okay guys, very thank you for my lamp, headlamp. So okay, like this. Okay, mastic hand and then mastic. Okay. So guys, if you wanna go to HVAC job, so double think please. Don't look at bloggers when it's coming for just replace capacitor, take $200 or more, and that's it. Easy money. No way. This is the money, but it's not so easy, guys. You must have a good health, I forget to say, because if you don't have good health, you can't work under 100 degrees and more. Usually it's minimum 100 degrees because it's the morning, but in daytime it will be 110 for sure, even more. This attic more, I think 115, because it's bad insulation, it's very small and no ventilation. So sometimes it's a job for very small guys. So I'm not so small. Can't, it's attic size not for my body. Okay. Okay. I don't have white mastic. Before was that duct white mastic. I don't have. Sorry, guys. I have, but it's like lay down in my truck 1 month, so it's like bad quality. See, I don't wanna put. It will be broken. It's like very soft now. My white mastic. I don't wanna. I have experience when I put. This was laid down very long time in my truck. I put white mastic, but it's already like a paint, you know. It's not a mastic, like a paint. It's very soft. Yeah, and I remade everything. Don't forget about quality of mastic. If it's laid down in your truck during the summer, 1-2 months, don't forget, guys. It can be broken. It can be like quality like a paint. Okay. Okay. Clean my hands so I can take my phone. Okay. So look. I need to go inside. Okay. Almost done. A little bit fixed. Just turn off my phone now. Okay, guys. Oh. So if you can make that type of job like this, if you can make in the attic, in the hut, so welcome to HVAC. You can work. Goodbye.